Here are our ingredients: onions, tomatoes, pork, sinigang sa Sampalok, radish, eggplant, spinach, in high heat, boil water in a pot. Add in the onions and the tomatoes. Boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, put in the pork. Boil for 25 minutes or until the pork is tender. Add Knorr Sinigang sa Sampalok mix. You can add more Knorr Sinigang sa Sampalok mix. It depends upon you if how you like your sinigang to be. Stir. Then put the radish and the eggplants. Cover and let it simmer for another 5 minutes or until the vegetables are cooked. Add in the spinach. You can add more vegetables if you want, like string beans, now for taste, add a pinch of salt and a little pepper. Transfer to a serving bowl. Serve and enjoy!